Okay, here's the farmer's wife. Some days she looks angry, some days not. She's from Thailand. Go introduce you to the chickens, ducks. Oh, there's my little black cock. Love that guy. Doesn't take very good care of his chicks, but they're not really known for taking care of the young ones. That's actually one of the little black cock's babies. There's some of the ducks. That rooster's going to be getting eaten soon. I have a big white cock, but we'll talk about that more later. There's a chicken feeder I made. Works pretty good. There's some of the silly ducks.
It's out from the duck. Very warm.
That's a warm duck egg right there. Right out of its ass. There's my couple guineas in there. They're not much good. They screech and make a lot of noise, but they're entertaining. That's a waterer for the winter. It's got a heater in it. Here's more ducks in their pond. A couple chickens come over here to enjoy their food. There's a little pen for the ducks. Oh. Perry, I think you might have a duck sitting. That's a feeder I made for the ducks. Works pretty efficiently. Out there, that's going to be our garden. Started already. I have to buy more of this fence here. Keeps the rabbits out. The farm dog's looking to kill some chickens. But here's the water system I put in. Tiny black cock again. Still a lot of work to do on this, but here's our watering system. I even put a little one on here for my dogs. Daisy, come here, you want a drink? Burn all these weeds out of here. You'll see I love burning. Fire is always fun. Burn the hell out of stuff. These are going to be all Asian vegetables. I don't mean like a Chinaman in a wheelchair. I mean, you know, vegetables from Asia. Lemongrass. That's some kind of long beans. That's some kind of Asian cucumbers. That may not be true. I don't know. I don't know what those are, but that's what I thought they were. But this is going to be the garden. I'll keep you posted on it. A lot of work to do being a farmer. There's the farmer's wife. She's not fixed, but she's not broken. I'll let you vaccinated people figure that one out. Harry, how many eggs do we get? Let's have a look here. Look at that. All right, we'll talk with you later.